Dear students, today we'll be doing a program of uh, deletion of a particular object from a binary file. So here we have written the program, and line by line we'll be explaining. So first, as you can see, we have taken import pickle here. So we know why pickle modules are used. Pickle module is used. Pickle module is used to enable us to write something in a binary file and also to read something from a binary file. So when we are writing to a binary file, we have to convert the object that we want to write into the byte form, and also when we are reading from binary file, we read in byte form, which need to be converted into the human readable format. So this conversion procedure is done by using two functions of pickle module. One is dump, another one is load. Dump is for writing and load is for reading. This much we have already done. So what we are going to do, when we want to delete something from a file, what exactly we want to do. So let me write here, when we are deleting an object from a binary file, we'll read all the objects from the file one by one and write them in another binary file except the object that we want to delete. So when we are reading all the objects from that particular binary file one by one, and then we are writing them into another binary file, but we are not writing the desired object that we want to delete. That means the other binary file where we are writing will have all the objects except the object that we want to delete. And after that, we are changing the name of the newly created binary file with the name of old binary file. So suppose we want to delete a particular record from a file a.bin. So what we'll do, we'll read all the records from a.bin and we'll be writing them into b.bin, but we'll not write the record that we want to delete. So at the end of the procedure, b.bin will have all the records of a.bin except the record that we want to delete. But as the name is b.bin, so what we'll do, we'll change the name of the newly created b.bin with the name of a.bin. So that's what we are going to do here. So as you can see, what we have done here, first I'm highlighting the lines, output open file.bin wb. That means we have opened a binary file. The name of file is file in writing mode. Then what we are doing, this we have already done. Answer why. Inside an infinite loop we are taking input. So we are taking input one by one, and at the end of taking each input we are asking, you want to insert more, yes or no. If you want to insert more, we are giving y. If it is not, we are giving n. And as soon as we are receiving an n that we do not want to insert any more record, then the loop is breaking. That means our input process is being closed. So the whole part is being used for taking input. And after that, what we are doing, we have parallelly opened two files, as you can see. One file is file.bin with the help of input1 object. We have opened the file is opened for reading, and here the new file where one by one all the objects will be written, the file is opened for writing. Now we have taken flag 0. We will understand why we have taken this. Now which record you want to delete? How will we understand? So we are taking the roll number from user. Suppose we want to delete a record where the roll number is 5. So we will be taking the input from user. And after that, what we are doing, one by one inside the try block, try and except already we have discussed. Inside the try block, we are, with the help of pickle load method, we are reading each record from file.bin. We are checking whether this is the record. We are checking whether this is the record we want to delete. If it is the record, then we are not writing the record. As you can see here, writing part is not there. We have not used dump method. We are not writing the record in the new file, that is, your h.bin. Else, if it is not the desired record, then we are printing, we have read the record this is not the desired record for deleting, so we are writing it in the new file. So we are writing the record in the new file. So what we are doing, one by one we are reading the record and checking if it is the record for we want to delete. If it is not the desired record that we want to delete, we will be just writing it back into the new file h.bin that we have created. So what we will do, and after that, this is the process is over. So at the end of the process loop, what we are doing, we are closing the file that we have opened for reading, and we are also closing the file that we opened for writing. Now all the work has been done. Now what we will do, see, this is something new that we are doing. We have taken OS module. OS, OS stands for operating system. So we have taken another module, operating system, import OS. This will be used for changing the name of an already existing file. So what we are doing, os.replace, we are giving the new file name, and we are giving the old file name and we are giving the new file name here. So let me write the format. The format is os.replace old file name, new file name. So our old file name was h.bin, but we are changing the name as file.bin. Then this part is only for reading. What we are doing, we are opening the file for reading. Now this file.bin is actually h.bin, whose name we have changed. So let me write a comment here. This file.bin is actually h.bin, whose name has been changed. Okay, so what we are doing, this if flag equals to 0, the record is not found. This part let's put here, because this also may happen that a particular record we are searching for and that record is not present, searching for deleting, that record is not present in the old file. So this may happen. So while true, we are writing, we are just now we will be reading it. So what we are doing, while true, we are reading the record from the new file one by one and we are printing them. So let's run the program and we'll understand it more. Okay, so enter the roll number. This part we are just taking the input for the first time. Enter the roll number, I am giving 1. Enter the name, I am giving A. Want to insert more? Yes. Enter the roll number, I am giving 2. Enter the name, I am giving B. Yes. Enter the roll number, I am giving 3. Enter the name, I am giving C. No, we do not want to insert any more record. We have already inserted 3 records. Enter the roll number you want to search. You want the roll number 2. So what it is doing, after reading each record, it is printing. See, we have given, if the record is found, it will give record found, deleting the record. Otherwise, it will give, we have read the record, this is not the desired record for deleting, so we are writing in the new file. So first record it has found is 1A, so it is giving, we have read the record 1A, this is not the desired record for deleting, so we are writing it in the new file. Then it is getting 2B, this is the record for deletion, so it is printing the record found, deleting the record 2B, and then again it will read the record 3C. We have read the record 3C. This is not the desired record for deleting, so we are writing in the new file. And after that, what we are doing, we have already it will write 1A and 3C in the new file h.bin. Then we have changed the name of h.bin into file.bin. And you are opening file.bin for reading. So this is the last part. In file.bin, there will be 1A and 3C. 2B will not be there because 2B we have already deleted. So this is the program for a deletion a record from a binary file. So this is one method. There will be many other methods also. So if your program is correct, any method you use, that's a valid method. So I hope it is clear. So please let me know if there is any doubt. That will be clarified in the next class. Thank you very much.